What's up, YouTube? Audio Monster here. Did a little repair on this. It's a Fender Roc-Pro 700 combo amp, 12-inch speaker. Super clean and loud. They're pretty cool, man. They're hybrid. I'll do a review on it, but I just kind of figured it out. I've only had it for a little while. And I just figured out that the input was messed up. So if you take a look at this, that's what this video is about, is repairing, or, I guess rigging it up so it works. It's a repair for me. It's going to last quite a while, I think. So this is what it's supposed to look like. And when I got it, this little metal sleeve was gone and the bottom was cracked and I'm missing a little bit. So there was more material on the top. All the metal was gone there, and it's just a little sleeve. Has nothing to do with the contact, but it was broken out to where when you put in the 1/4-inch jack, it would fall down a little bit and then go and this amp is so loud, honestly, like it's super loud. So on 1 or 2, it already would buzz the speaker loud. And I think whoever sold it, I got it from Guitar Center used, but I think whoever sold it thought there was a major problem because it sounded bad. Really, when it happened, it kind of scared me. It just was like, I'm like, whoa, I've never heard something like that from an input. So I'm going to explain to you why I think it was like that. So first off, I'm going to explain to you why I couldn't just put a new jack in there. Inside of here, it's all like one PCB first off. Second off, they're pretty special. I don't know if I could find them. They're like, all the jacks, there's 3 on the back and 2 on the front, the foot switch on the end and the input. They all look the same, but they have like different pins. The input on the main input has 6 or 7, I think, pins. On the back, there's another PC board for the effects loop, and they have like 9 pins. It's all like it's basically a PCB link. It like tells it what you're doing. I don't know. It sounds kind of weird to say it like this, but it doesn't just have a hot and a ground in. So you can't just change it out. I was thinking about like jumpering the PCB, just putting a hot and a ground to another jack. But I said, screw it. I found out the jack was fine. I realized it was just the angle it was hanging at, the angle of the dangle. It would allow it to go down, and whenever and then here's the other thing. It was broke off to where it would go in too far. So first off, it was going in too far and it was hanging down. So it was like missing contact, obviously, and kind of fooling the amplifier into thinking something was connected with the ground, but not hot. I don't know, but it would make a radically crappy noise. So that's the reason why I fixed it the way I did, is because it's all crazy PCB mount. Like, I guess I would call it proprietary switches or jacks or whatever you want to call them. So what I did was I basically, as you see here, this is, it's a smaller, you see the screw or the nut back here. It's a smaller nut. I had to drill it out to get the right circumference of this 1/4-inch jack, just so it would fit perfect and have some stability. And then I used this glue. It's called E6800, and it's really weird. It's like it goes on a little goopy and then it like self levels. But what's weird is it's like kind of permanent. On an item like this, it probably will be permanent, but you could take it off. That's what's kind of weird, is it has like a gelish, forever kind of, it's not like silicone, but you could cut it off and remove it 100% if you really wanted to. And that's even after a long time. So what I did is I filed it down behind this. I just filed it flat. And then I took this, little nut that I had honed out a little bit for the 1/4-inch jack, and I took, here, let me grab it, it's just right here. I took this little guy here to just to give it a little bit of an alignment. And when I popped that in there and I just let it dry, You can hear how it does that. It clicks. See, it would go past that. So what I did is I set the depth by adding the correct amount there. So because it was plastic, there was some on the top and not on the bottom. It was broken. Like I said, someone must have, hey, hush. My dogs always like to be in the videos. It's out of control. So basically, I made sure it did this and did that exact sound as this other one by setting the depth, you know, like filing it down and get just like that. That's the most important part. Now we have no problems. It sounds amazing. And if you have a Roc-Pro, a Fender Roc-Pro 700 or 1000, this may be a fix for you if you have a broken jack. I don't know. I'm really crafty. A lot of people wouldn't even think to do this. I always think, what can I do? I mean, it's solid, dude, but it's weird. It's like softish solid. It's not like silicone. It's harder, but it still has softness to it. You could see it's kind of shiny. I'm in love with it. I'm stoked. I have a jack back. Guess I got my jack back. So I fixed that problem, and I'll do a little review on this. I'm about to step it up and start doing some more YouTube stuff. I've just been busting ass and doing all kinds of stuff around the house, and I don't YouTube everything, man. I only do my I'm not going to show you shoveling dirt and stuff. I mean, come on, guys. But all right, Audio Monster out. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, subscribe, man, all that other crap. Share. Just kidding. Audio Monster out. All right. The dog wants a little here. We'll show the dog off up there. There's the dog at the top of the stairs. There you go, Ticky. You're a star. There, you're a star. All right. Cool. Audio Monster out, guys. Later.